Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the batteries in a Defiant electronic lock in 2026. Now, first of all, before starting, you need to make sure that you have 4 AA alkaline batteries available. The Defiant recommends using new alkaline batteries and avoiding the rechargeable or mixed batteries for best performance. Now, after doing so, what you need to do is you need to go inside portion of the door where the lock's interior assembly is located. Then you need to simply press the tabs on both the side of the battery cover and carefully pull the cover away from the lock. And this will basically expose the battery compartment in front of you. Now from here, you just have to simply remove the old batteries. You need to take out the 4 batteries from the battery pack. So once you have done that, you just have to simply reinsert or insert the new batteries according to the positives and the negative markings inside the battery compartment. You need to also double check the orientation before continuing. So after installing the battery, simply just the lock should power on automatically, and you need to simply replace the battery cover and test the keypad several times. So after changing the battery, you just have to start pressing the buttons over here. You can also basically add your programming code, the user code, and see if the codes are working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.